Look at that guy.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you one of the best ways to make money online without any investment. I know I talk a lot about crypto, meme coins on my channel, but I noticed lots of my viewers are struggling to collect the initial budget and fund to start trading and of course capitalize on the meme coin and crypto craze. That's why today I'm gonna show you a website that allows you to earn money without any investment, and later in the video I'm gonna show you my personal results with this website. And the platform I'm gonna be talking about today, it's called FreeCash. So first of all, if you jump into the main page, you can learn more information about different features and actually how much you can make. So with FreeCash, you get paid for testing apps, games, and services, and we have some of the really important statistics. So first of all, the average time until user makes first cash out, it's 17 minutes. As I mentioned, the cash outs are instant and fast. Again, it's a really big advantage compared to other platforms. Next really important number, of course, is how much you can make. So the average money earned by users yesterday, it's almost $42. I think that's a really impressive number for just basically playing games and filling out surveys, and $50 million total USD earned on this platform. So you can see with this platform, you can earn pretty decent money in a really short time. And also they have lots of experience because they already paid out over $50 million. Next important factor you can see right here on Trustpilot, they have 4.5 stars and 130,000 reviews. Again, people really like this platform. People are using this platform. And as I mentioned, I personally also use this app sometimes when I'm bored because, of course, $50 a day will not save my life. But for some people in some countries, I think this could be a pretty good amount to actually buy food and survive, or actually start saving this money or investing this money in crypto, and of course, compound this money to a bigger amount. Next up, if we're talking about the money, we can learn how much they actually pay for different tasks. They pay from 50 cents up to $120 just for playing different mobile games. I think this is really impressive. Next up, if you do different offers, you can get from $1 up to $75 per offer. And if you're filling out different surveys, it pays around $1 per survey. And it takes around like 15-20 minutes to fill out all of these surveys. And also I want to mention, if you sign up for FreeCash using my link in description and also use code Nazza, you can see it on a screen, you're getting a free loot box worth up to $250. And also additional bonus, if you earn $1 in the first 18 hours, you get 3 more loot boxes for free. So in my opinion, if you don't even plan to do this task, just sign up, open the loot box and see how much you got. And now let's jump in straight to the platform, to my dashboard, and I'm going to show you my personal results. So first of all, once you sign up, you're going to see different featured offers and you can see different games and how much they're paying. So one example is Monopoly. It pays out $175 if you do all the tasks. So if you click on it, you can see what you have to do in this game. So for installation, you get 0, but then you can see for different tasks, you get paid. So you can see reach board 12, reach board 42, and for all of these achievements, you're getting paid. So basically, the more you play, the more money you're earning. And you can see different games, different payouts. You can filter them out by the highest payers. After that, we have different surveys. You can see some of the surveys are paying 50 cents and it will take you 15 minutes. Some of them are paying 20 cents. It will take you 14 minutes. And again, you can filter out and just click on the ones you like. And also you can see different offer partners on this platform. I think they have pretty good offers, pretty good payouts. And the last thing I want to show you is the leaderboard, because you can actually check out how much other people are making on this platform. So let's click, for example, this guy who's number 4, and you can see his statistics. So he's from Germany. First thing, he joined 48 days ago. He completed 162 tasks and total earnings are $568. We can actually see what he did in the past task and how much he made. So you can see people are actually making pretty decent money on this platform. And for example, if we click on the monthly, we're going to see even bigger earners. For example, this guy number 5. He actually made 1,124 tasks and he made in the past month $1,282. So again, I think this is really good money for doing simple tasks and playing games. And if we're talking about cash out, let's click cash out. You can see they have lots of different ways to take out your money. You can see right here, I already made $113. I'm not playing that many games. I'm just doing few tasks sometimes because, of course, as I mentioned, $50 a day will not save my life. I don't have time for it. I'm doing these videos. But in my opinion, if you take it serious, you're going to make $100, $200 daily, easy, just by doing these tasks. And also don't forget a link in the description and code Nazza because you're getting the free money. So why not? And once you want to cash out, you can see we have multiple options, and all of these payouts are instant. So for example, we have PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, which gives you a 15% bonus, Ethereum, Litecoin. You can actually get different gift cards, Amazon, Visa, Netflix. So I believe all the regions will find their best option to cash out. And again, guys, I think this is a no-brainer app. Just use my link in the description because you're getting paid for doing simple tasks and you can actually earn a lot. You can see again, leaderboards are paying thousands of dollars per month to all of these users. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be sharing similar platforms to FreeCash to get even more money, even more tasks, and of course, even more rich during this bull run. Subscribe. See you next time.